Today we will discuss direct, indirect. But which type of sentences we will discuss? Interrogative sentences. As in the earlier lecture we discussed assertive sentences. Today I will discuss with you interrogative. Interrogative sentences. In interrogative, we will change said to into ask. And connective we use if or whether. Connective we will use if or whether, but it's not necessary. We will have to see the question कि सेंटेंस कैसे स्टार्ट हो रहा है. जो रिपोर्टेड स्पीच है वो जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ है. इफ द क्वेश्चन स्टार्ट्स व्हेन, who, where, whose, whom, how, etc. अगर क्वेश्चन जो है रिपोर्टेड स्पीच जो है इन वर्ड्स के साथ स्टार्ट हो रही हो, तब हम कनेक्टिव इफ और वेदर का प्रयोग नहीं करते हैं. वी कैन नॉट यूज कनेक्टिव इफ और वेदर. यू सी, सिंपली ही सेड टू हिम, have you done work? Sign of interrogation. Have you done work? Now you see, this is a reporting verb. Said to is reporting verb. This is subject and this is object, as I told you earlier, and this is reported speech. Now we will change it. Simply जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, said to को आपने सिंपल ही आ जाएगा, said to को आस्क्ड में चेंज करना है, आस्क्ड में चेंज कर दिया, then इफ लगाओ या वेदर लगा लो. इफ तो यू जो है दैट इज फर्स्ट सेकेंड पर्सन प्रोनाउन. इट विल चेंज अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट. ऑब्जेक्ट इज हिम, तो ही आ जाएगा. ही आस्क्ड हिम, ही आस्क्ड हिम इफ. कनेक्टिव इफ लग गया इसमें. ही आस्क्ड हिम इफ. यू का ही हो गया, देन हैव का हैड हो जाएगा क्योंकि पास्ट में बात हो रही है. हैड हो गया, देन डन वर्क. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. You will have to apply your mind. If you apply your mind, if you understand the type of sentence, then you will be definitely able to change. डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट चेंज कर दोगे, डायरेक्ट से इनडायरेक्ट आप इजीली बना दोगे. तो 1 मार्क्स का होता है. देखो मैथमेटिकल मार्क्स 1 मार्क्स. इफ यू आर करेक्ट you will be fetching 1 mark. If you are incorrect, you cannot. So this can be one more example we can quote. The teacher said to whom? To the student. Which is your roll number? Which is your roll number? Now मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि अगर कनेक्टिव जैसा नो में हो तब हम इफ और वेदर लगाते हैं, परंतु अगर रिपोर्टेड स्पीच जो है व्हेन, हु, वेयर, हुज, whom के साथ स्टार्ट हो रही हो, वहां हम कनेक्टिव इफ या वेदर का प्रयोग नहीं करते. सिंपली हमने देख लिया. अभी द टीचर आस्क्ड to whom? The student. The teacher asked the student, which is your? Your is second person pronoun. Now it will change according to the object. Object is student. The teacher asked the student, which नाउ यू सी योर का हिज हो जाएगा. विच हिज रोल नंबर वॉज. सिंपल. इट्स वेरी सिंपल, प्रोवाइडेड यू शुड नो. अगर आपने अपना माइंड जो है सही तरीके से अप्लाई कर लिया तो आपको मार्क्स मिल जाएगा. अगर आपने गलत किया, इसमें स्टेप भी होता है. अगर आपने फर्स्ट स्टेप ठीक कर दिया, द टीचर आस्क्ड द स्टूडेंट, इफ फर्स्ट स्टेप इज करेक्ट, हाफ मार्क्स यू मे बी गिवन. तो दिस इज डिपेंड अपॉन द एग्जामिनर कि वो कैसा है. हो सकता है वो कहे नहीं मैं नहीं, लेकिन अंडर रूल जो है उसको मार्क्स आधा देना पड़ता है. तो इट्स नाउ वी कैन कोट मोर एग्जाम्पल so that you may not have any confusion while appearing in the final examination. Rama said to her friend, are you doing work? This is also interrogative. Rama asked, simple, asked her friend. Now here we will have to, because the question started by are, so we will have to place if. You is second person pronoun, so friend, her friend. Rama asked her friend, तो she आ जाएगा. If she was doing work. Simple. It's very simple. You apply your mind and you can solve it. One more example we can quote. The monitor said to Ravi. Where is your examination center? Examination center. I will be writing just related sentences so that you may not have confusion while you are asked there in the final examination. Monitor. Monitor जो है, now simply the monitor asks Ravi. Ravi is third person pronoun. Now your. The monitor asks, your will be changed according to, this will change according to object. Object is Ravi. Now you see, the monitor asks Ravi, where we will have to place where, we cannot remove it. Where his examinations center was simple. ये तो very simple. Many of the students they will be confused कि ये क्या है? What is it? ये बड़े typical sentences हैं. How to remove? How to put these sentences there into order? So you have to be very calm. You go through the sentence one time, two time, thrice. Once, twice, thrice, as much time. That is up to the time. If you have time, you can go through the sentence, then you solve all these sentences. So it's wonderful. It may have definite purpose. It may have definite purpose in your life. You see, if you don't know about these things, you may not be able to speak correct English, write correct English. Direct speech which is given there in a code form. Indirect means when somebody is telling somebody else indirectly. That is indirect. So when you are asked if you know the tricks of these things, so you will be presenting the things there in an appropriate way. One more example we can quote. She said to Rama, are you playing? Simple. Are you playing? Simple. We will have to bring subject here. She asks Rama, connective जहाँ if आ जाएगा. Simple. Now you will see this. This is second person pronoun. It will change according to object. Object is Rama. Now it will be, you will be converted into she. If she, then R है. she के साथ is लगता है, you के साथ R लगता है. now पास्ट में बात हो रही है तो यहाँ was हो जाएगा. If she was playing. Simple. So you can change the sentence into this manner.